This first assignment, the significant other assignment, is an opportunity for you to select somebody in your life who really values who you are. They really appreciate you, and vice versa. You really appreciate them. Now, when I say significant other, it doesn't necessarily have to mean, husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, lover, etc. This is, again, somebody who you care about and who cares about you. So the significant other could be a roommate, a spouse, an older child, a parent, a grandparent, a coworker, a best friend. You get the idea. For this significant other assignment, I would like you to tell me a couple of things. Open up Microsoft Word or a similar processing program, and I would like you to tell me the name of the person to whom you have selected as your significant other. Make sure you talk with them first before you formally put them down, because they're committing to you that they're going to be your partner in crime for the next several weeks of this course, as we work together with them to help make the content of this course very much more applicable to your own relationship. So, I want to hear what their name is. I want to know what the nature of this relationship is. Are they your friend? Are they your coworker? Are they your wife or your husband or your brother or your sister? And then finally, I would like to have some contact information for this person. Very rarely do I reach out to actually contact your significant others, but in the event that I need to, I would like to have an email address and or telephone number that they're comfortable sharing with me in this assignment. You're going to put all this in a Microsoft Word document and save it as a DOC or DOCX file. Make sure your name is in the file name. It helps me categorize your assignments much easier, okay? Again, your name in the file name, .doc or .docx is the file type, and you're going to actually upload this assignment to me in the very same place you found the assignment, again, found under Week 1's Learning module. Email me if you have any questions at all about the significant other assignment this week.